Hello friends, my name is Eric Sze and I am the chef owner of 886 Taiwanese restaurant in the East Village of Manhattan. Today I'm going to show you what I eat in a day. For breakfast, I like to eat something that is healthy, nutritious. Now let's see what we can use for our avocado toast. Cabbage, some choy, some leftover takeout, eggs. This is the egg that we're gonna need. I apologize for the messiness. Yeah, I was gonna grab the avocado and the milk bread. You gotta make the avocado mash. It's like a fake guacamole. Some nice milk bread. I'm always thinking about that far, far away day when we're able to reopen. And I've taken a lot of time to cook at home, to kind of play around with different ingredients, things that I never really thought of doing for the restaurant. We actually tried selling this avocado shaobing. Shaobing is a traditional Chinese pastry. It was delicious, but not a lot of people ordered it. I save the non-broken one for the wife. And that'll be for me. Cheers. This is why I cook. It's so good and my mood is brightened. I woke up when I was taking a shower. I didn't know how to tackle my day. I don't know if we're gonna open for delivery. I don't know what the hell we're gonna do. I was so lost when I woke up, and now life is good. For lunch, my wife is working from home as a teacher. I have to really quickly crank out something that's super simple and delicious. We're going to make a healthier version of an instant noodle. The difference between these noodles and instant noodles is that they're actually, they're not instant because they're actually raw noodles, air dried. Think about dried pasta, it's the same thing. Thinking of what else we're gonna make. I think we're just gonna make a quick stir fry out of pea shoots. My noodles. Packet says 6 minutes. What the corn will do is kind of create little bites of sweetness to balance the spiciness of the noodles. It's hot. This is good enough. This is kind of a new trend in Asia, I feel. And in Taiwan, every celebrity has their own brand of these dried noodles. It's a nice, healthy alternative to instant noodle. So sexy. And so I've been cooking professionally for 5 years now, and if the food looks beautiful, it's going to taste better. So if you have a dish that's like solid B or B+, the plating and the visuals, the colors could elevate that to an A-. Okay, we have noodle, and this is a bit of a pea shoot and a tofu skin that I just stir-fried it. All right. Try out this noodle. Look at that. Wow, the corn really complements it. Quick lunch, and then the woman off camera here has got to get back to work. All right, so it's about 4:30 in the afternoon. I just gotten back from a bunch of errands and looking for a light snack, snackety snack. Pineapple cake. Chop it up rough. You still want to keep it kind of cubed. Got some vanilla ice cream from McConnell's. Yeah. Sorry you have to watch this. Let's take this guy. Let's see if this works out here. Garnished with a little cilantro. Cilantro is actually very commonly used in dessert for Taiwanese cuisine. Here's my snack. It's funny how sweet things kind of brighten your mood. I was only gonna have like 2 bites and I was gonna share it with my wife, but tough luck. For dinner is usually what I kind of plan my days around. It's where I can show my love for my wife. And tonight, we have a 24-hour sous vide short rib that I am super excited about. So what I did was I took a whole plate of short ribs, I deboned it, and then I made a marinade out of soy sauce, Sichuan pepper, star anise, trying to mimic that really classic Chinese braised beef flavor. And with the short rib sous videing in the marinade, it'll soak up all the flavors in the seasoning. I'm able to just leave it in the water bath for 24 hours and it will have a melt in your mouth, delicious, delicious texture. So it's been 24 hours. Let's see. Woo! Ah! Ah! Made a mess. You can still see how tender it is. Woo! Baby! Baby, baby! Toast some of this right. Ooh. There we go. Look at this guy. Do you not want to marry this beef? All right, pan is smoking hot. Woo. There we go. Done. This guy needs to rest. So the inspiration behind this dish is those fancy Wagyu katsusandos that you see everywhere on the internet nowadays, but we're substituting different flavors into a very familiar dish. So it looks like something, but it tastes like something else. That's a technique I really like, and I try a lot to play around with. Also made some Brussels sprouts and a little seafood with tofu. Pretty excited for this guy. Check it out. I'm gonna try to put this on the menu. I know it's gonna be difficult because one huge plate of short rib pretty much only yielded this portion. You know what? I'm gonna stop filming because I'm so excited to eat dinner. Thank you for watching what I eat in a day.